Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the latest onboarding updates from TCS. So in this video we are going to first of all see the offer letter mail that the TCS has sent to the candidates, and it is for digital role basically. So what is mentioned in that offer letter mail, we are going to see that, and what is the next step you need to do if you have got that mail. And after that we are going to talk about the document verification mail that the candidates have got from the TCS in order to submit their documents on that mail. After that we are going to talk about the next step portal update. That is, for many candidates the next step portal is still showing best, so what they need to do in order to get updated, right? So make sure that you watch the video till complete and in order to know all of these answers, and if you have any doubts related to this. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I regularly upload these kinds of onboarding updates as well as off-campus drives on my channel. Also, I have uploaded a video 2 or 3 days back related to the onboarding updates. There are many comments on that videos, so we are also going to discuss some of the common queries related to that, and we are going to discuss those common comments so that it will be helpful to you. So, and also if you have not followed us on Instagram, make sure to follow, as I regularly upload jobs there as well. So let's start with our today's discussion. First of all, we are going to see the document verification mail that the TCS has been sending to the candidates. So let me read out this mail to you. So in this mail it is mentioned that, dear candidates, greetings from TCS. Congratulations, you have been cleared the interviews. To proceed with the next steps, please complete documentation, and the document required are as below. So what all are the documents needed? I am reading it, just keep a note of it if you are also going to have your document verification soon. So the first document that you need to prepare is your online DT application form. Next is your PAN card, and for PAN card you need both side copies. Next is your proof of citizenship. In this you can upload any of these mentioned documents like copy of birth certificate, passport, school leaving certificate, voter ID, transfer certificate, and you need to provide the both side copies of any document that you are uploading. Next is the Aadhaar card, and if you are uploading your Aadhaar card you have to upload both side copies. Next is you have to upload your educational documents, that is your 10th, 12th, your original mark sheets and your all mark sheets and degree certificate and provisional certificate, right? So all the 6 mark sheets should be in the separate PDFs. So make sure that you prepare all of these documents beforehand only, because when they will call you, they will not give much time to you in order to upload these documents, and they will ask you to upload these documents within 15 to 20 minutes. And suppose if you have taken long, then you anyway cannot connect with them second time, right? Because the number which they will call you will be anonymous and you cannot call back, right? So you must be confused that whether I have uploaded the correct documents or not. So in order to avoid all of these confusions, what you can do is you can prepare these documents beforehand only. So whenever you are getting this kind of mail, you can directly upload at that time, right? And it might be possible that the sequence or the documents asked to you might be different from someone else. So the 1 or 2 documents may be different, but usually these all are the common documents that are being asked to the candidates. Also you should try to upload these documents in the same sequence in which they have asked, so that it will be easier for them to understand or read those documents. So moving on to the next update, which is the offer letter of digital candidates. So this is the offer letter which the digital candidates have received recently and are also receiving currently on daily basis. So last week also some of the candidates have got this digital offer letter, and this week also they are sending the offer letters for digital. So let me read this mail. So, dear candidate, congratulations, we are delighted to inform you that you have been successfully completed our initial selection process. We are pleased to share the TCS offer letter with you. Your offer letter is available to your next step portal. So what you need to do is you need to log into your next step portal, and then you need to accept your offer letter. Try that you accept it as soon as possible, that when you have got this mail, and because many a times TCS itself informs that you need to accept your offer letters within 7 days of getting it. So make sure that you accept your offer letters as soon as possible. Moving on to the next update, which is this badge status. So currently what is happening is for many candidates the next step portal is showing as badged, whether you have completed your interviews or whether you are waiting for your interviews or whether you are waiting for your joining letters. So in all of these cases it is showing as badged, and for the rest it is showing as either rejected or if the status is has moved to the next status, which is something like ILP eligible or something else. So what you need to do, if it is still showing batched, so does that mean are you rejected or not? So basically, according to me, if it is showing best, then you are still in the hiring process and you should wait for your next update. Now how long you should wait, there is no specific answer to it, because for many candidates in the past, what has happened is this batched candidate was lasted only for 15 or 20 days, and for many candidates this batched candidate lasted for even more than 10 months. So there is no specific time that how long it will take for this to update. What you can do is only wait, right? And while waiting, I would suggest that don't be totally dependent on this TCS drive only. What you can do is, if you have done everything from your end and there is nothing else that you can do, right, you can only wait. So what you can do is you can just check the next step portal on regular intervals, so that if there is any update you will get to know. Otherwise what you can do is you can apply for all the current drives that are going on. So this will be helpful. So it might happen that you can get the job in other company before TCS, right? Because TCS and all these MNCs are currently taking a lot of time to give the joinings because of this recession period. So this is my personal suggestion, that keep on applying to all the drives which are currently going on, so that you will be having other options as well. Moving on. So basically it is a good news only that is happening as of now, that TCS is doing, they are releasing the offer letters, whether they are releasing for digital or for Ninja, but they have started releasing. Like past some days we know that they were not even giving any joinings and not releasing any offers, and they were not even hiring also. So the condition is getting back to normal, that they have started the hiring and more joinings are expected in the upcoming months. So it is a good news for everyone. So what you need to do is you need to have some patience, and maybe you will get the joinings in some time. Now let's see some of the common comments that we have received on the channel, so that it will be helpful for you to understand. First of all, someone has mentioned that please provide information about TCS Ninja reschedule candidate joining for Hyderabad location. My actual joining date is 18th of August. I got rescheduled due to document verification pending. Every time TCS replying that they will resend my joining letter based on the business requirements. So one thing is very sure, that if you are also sending a mail to TCS asking for an update on your joining or your offer letter, you are definitely going to get this reply that we will update you and we will give the joining based on the business demands. So business demands or business requirements, so they will mention like this. So what you can do is, in these cases, so first of all let's understand what is the problem that has happened in this case. So someone has already asked that, was that the problem with the third party, or you didn't had the necessary documents at that time? So why did you uploaded the documents late? Basically the person is asking. So some Moksh has replied that I submitted my bona fide certificate delayed by 1 hour. So you can see that the bona fide certificate was uploaded or submitted 1 hour later. So this is the main problem, and that is why the joining was rescheduled. So make sure in the first place, if you are also doing this mistakes, don't do this. Just try to upload all the necessary documents at the correct time, so that you don't face any of these problems. All the documents are approved successfully, and only bona fide certificate is pending for their approval. So there is no problem as such in the documents, just it is that they are taking too long. So why this is happening is because first of all the month at this point of time recession is happening, so that is why TCS is not giving much joinings, right? And on asking, they are also saying that we are going to give it on the business requirements. Also we know that Hyderabad location currently has very less projects, so that is why what they are doing is they are not giving much updates on this. So I hope that these kinds of extended joinings are going to be happen in the month of March, but till now there is no surety as of now. But still, March and April are the months in which the rescheduled candidates are going to get their joinings. So I am not getting rejected mail and also offer letter to when the result will come. Okay, so many candidates are in this scenario where they are waiting for their offer letters, but they are not even getting their status changed, and that is to either rejected or to any other status. So for this case, I have already explained that what you need to do is you need to wait for some time and keep on applying to other drives as well. So these are the common questions, guys. Also, if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section of this video and we'll answer it. So you can see that I regularly answer all the common queries that are there. So if you have any other different query than this, let me know in the comment section and I will guide you through it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.